In part 1 of our SmartList series, we created this SmartList object for bank balances. Now, if I don't want to show all of the bank balances in my default, perhaps I'm only interested in checkbook ID, description, and current balance, what I can do is edit this information. So I'm going to go ahead and close out my SmartList, and I'm going to go into my administration area page. And from here, I'm going to choose SmartList Options. And I'm going to find this SmartList option that I just created called Bank Balances. So I'm going to find that category, and there it is. Now I can see all of the fields that I have in my SmartList object. Again, if I'm only interested in displaying those three, I'll unmark the other ones. And now these are my default ones that are marked. Pretty simple to do. And if you ever go in, and the first thing I always do in SmartList is make that number be 1,000,000 or 1,000,000,000. I just go in and add as many zeros as I can. You could do that for it right there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK and go back into my SmartList object, open up Financial, open up my bank balance list, and click on the default. And now you can see I have those three columns. If I click on Search, you're going to see I'm already set to that high number, which makes it nice and easy. And if I go to Columns, I can click on Add, and I can still see the other columns that I chose not to include. So if I'm interested in including the last reconciled balance and the last reconciliation date, then I'll go ahead and click OK. And I like including these when I'm looking at bank balances because this tells me how much confidence I can place in this current bank balance. Now, one more thing I'll show you real quick. When we export this to Excel, one of the things that happens now is these are coming over as formatted as numbers. This is a new feature that has been put in GP 2016. So we now have those formatted as numbers. Stay tuned for the next part of our SmartList series. Hope this helps.